Yo, what's up, boys? Welcome to another episode of the I Flipped series. I think I'm just gonna call this the I Flipped series. Alright, alright, today we're looking at US30. And honestly, I wasn't gonna trade US30 this week because it didn't give me much A plus sit-ups, right? So I was trading the Nasdaq this week. I did post a video. Check my previous video of my plan on the Nasdaq. Killed it nonetheless. But today, boys, we looking at US30. We're looking at this beautiful trade, and the whole reason why I'm actually covering this trade is because it's something I was looking forward to, right? For I think since last week. I told myself if I'll be taking any further positions with US30, I'll be waiting for price to hit a specific zone. And yeah, boy, it did. And needless to say, we got it. We got it, boys. We got it, boys. We got it, boy. So before we get into today's video, let's give a massive shout out to our broker right here. This is our recommended broker, Trade 245. Thus far, man, the smoothest platform I've worked on. Fast executions, quick withdrawals. That's everything we want, bro. That's literally everything we want. Alright, so y'all should check them out. I'll leave a link in the description. Follow the link and sign up. Let's chop this money. Alright, without wasting any time, man. Without wasting any time. From 3K to 100K, over 100K, bro. That's insane. Alright, that's insane. And today I'm just gonna quickly show y'all how I actually got this trade. Alright, boys, with this trade I really want us to go back, right? Like be back to like daily time, right? Daily time, because we covered this in the previous video. Right? I want us to look at this point right here, right? This point right here is a major key level, right? This point right here is a major key level, and this is majority of the reason why I took this trade, right? Because of this point right here, because it's a major key, right? It's in the daily time frame, right? So I was waiting for price to come to this point, because I knew when price got to this point that would reject this point, right? So this trade was fairly easy. Well, more than every trade I've took, this trade was fairly easy because based on just this one thing, you would have got this trade. Based on just this one piece of information, you would have got this trade, right? But if we were to add further confluence, right, I'd have to jump to my 4-hour time, right? I want us to leave that place marked. That is a major key level. In case you don't know why that's a major key level, let me mark it. See here, it was used as support. See here, it was support again. That would somewhat make resistance, right? Because some charts actually had made it to work. And I want y'all to remember that a key area is not just a simple horizontal line, it's a region, right? So based on these factors, right? Based on these factors, I would mark this a major key level, right? So let's just jump to our 4-hour time just to get some more structure, right? And I had covered this in my previous videos. Right here marks our support, right? And then right here should be our resistance, right? We also have right structure, so some call it Right. Let's get that support. Well, shoot. That's right. Remember, we have this key area right here, right? Which we expect price to react to, but then we're looking for further confluence. Further confluence would be this right here. This is what I then saw. Let's go to, let's see, let's just get it to our time frame. That, right? Another structure within the structure. Right, and oh yeah. Support. Right. So refresh. We have this key area, right? So we're looking for further confluence, right? Further confirmation, right? Further chart patterns that to prove whether price is really gonna push downwards and act to this key area. And with me trying to find further confluence, it was when I found these pieces of structure within a structure, right? So all I had to do is I had to wait for price to come here, right? And reject. The moment I saw price rejecting that, right? All I did was just wait for another 4-hour candle to come because price the time was close to 8 p.m., which is like South African time. So I just waited for another 4-hour candle to appear, right? And then it appeared right there, and I basically took my short. Yeah, right. And I will be aiming for support because as we can see right there, right, we have what people call like I don't want to say an intersection, but this is where two supports meet. So that is further confluence that price would come here, right? It would be attracted to this place, right? So this is basically how I actually got this trade, boys. I'm chasing for 1,000 pips because target from where I entered till yeah, right, like 1,000 peeps. So I'll be chasing for like 1,000 peeps, but my trading plan, um, well, right now fuck my trading plan, bro. Fuck my trading plan. I'll ride this till 1,000 peeps. So till the next one, yo, love and peace. Cheers.